Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Ma! Love you!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Magpagaling po kayo, Mama. Okay? Tapos, next year, kita-kita po tayo. Hopefully, on my birthday.
Save money!
Money, you're gonna... But anyway, Mama, we love you very much.
Love you! Happy birthday!
Ingat,
70th!
Mama. Ingat.
Happy 70th.
Yeah!
Enjoy.
Healthy, stay healthy.
Not well, see you, Kiel.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye.
Love
Happy
you.
birthday.
This is
Say-
happy.
Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sing. You know how to sing
Happy birthday to Mama! Sige na,
Happy birthday, Mama.
Sige na, Adrian!
Go, sige na.
Happy birthday to you.
Smile!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mama! Happy birthday to you!
Yung nalalaki naman.
Mama, happy birthday! Hindi ko to usual clothes sa uniform ko to kasi fashionista ako. Happy birthday! Ay, sandali! Ito si Tess! This is Tess!
Ma, kami yung winang August regalo sa iyo. Oh. Padala na lang namin sa package, ha?
Nay! Happy birthday po! Evelyn!
Fashionista din siya!
Evelyn!
Fashionista din siya!
Malakas po kayo! Hanggang see you pa, di ba? Love you!
Hindi ko kaya siya.
Ito, si
Happy
Munit!
birthday po! Magaling po kayo! See you!
Ivy!
Hello! Happy birthday, Mama. Hindi pa kita na-meet, pero God bless you. I will see you
Pamilya ko
soon,
dito,
ha? Bye-bye.
At si TJ! Mga dalaginding! Dala, di ko pa
Ako yan, ako.
Ma, hindi mo pang may wallet. May wallet pang kasama pala yun.
Ang kulit! Ang kulit talaga yun.
Wala na, hindi walang pwede birthday na.
Wala na din.
Ma, kung anong gusto mong regalo kay Angie, magsabi ka kasi dadalhin namin talaga sa'yo.
Si Joseph!
Uuwi kami sa
Joseph!
Costco.
Si
Yung
Joseph! Joseph!
Ma, yung bag nga, ito yung wallet pang
Okay lang,
kasama.
Ma, maski mabigat, maghingi
May
ka kaya
tag
kay
price
Angie.
pa.
Kung hindi madala ni Angie, ako po, December.
Ay, ma!
Happy birthday! Asawa ko po. Asawa ko po.
Nay, mga drawing yan. Ilocano!
Batanggenyo.
O, matanggi niya mama ko.
Tell me everything you give me. I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. There isn't anything or anyone that I can be, and it just wouldn't feel right if I didn't have you by my side. You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all time.
Mama, Mama, you know I love you. You know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars.
Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. You're always down for me, have always been around for me, even when I was bad. You showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you looked up for me when everyone was doubting me. You always did understand. You gave me strength to go on. There were so many times looking back when I was so afraid. And then you come to me and you say to me, I can face anything. And no one else can do what you have done for me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life.
Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Oh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars.
Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. Never gonna go a day without you. Fills me up just thinking about you. I'll never go a day without my mama. Mama, you know I love you. Oh, you know I love you, mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. It's like food to my soul.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
And Papa, I love you too.
Papa, you too. And PJ and Kuya JJ.
Yes.
Love you.
Ingat.